about phonics sound of all the 26 alphabets later. So let's quickly start, and if you are new here, then don't forget to like, share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Then you can get more such kind of videos. So let's quickly start. Our first letter of alphabet is that A. A. Do you know what is the sound of A? It is eh. A says eh. A says eh. Okay. A for apple. A for ant. Our next one is that B. B says ba. B says ba. B for ball. B for bat. Then it is C. C sound ka. Ka. C says ka. C for cat and C for cake. Okay. Then it is D. D says da. D sound da. Da. D for dog. D for doll. Okay. Then E sound eh. 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 What is the sound of E? It is eh. E for egg. Egg. E for elephant. E for elephant. Then it is F. F sound fa. Fa. It is not fa. It is fa. Fa. F says fa. F for fish. F for fan. Then it is G. What is the sound of G? It is ga. Ga. G says ga. G for girl and G for gun. Okay. Then it is H. Do you know what is the sound of H? It is ha. 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 S for hen and S for horse. I says E. E. I says E. I sound E. E. I for ice cream. I for igloo. J says ja. J says ja. 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 J for joker and J for jug. Then K. K says ka. 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 K for kite and K for cattle. Then it is L. La. 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 L for lion and L for lamb. Then it is M sound ma. 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 Mum. Ma. M sound ma. M for M sound ma. M for mango and M for man. Then it is N. N says na. Na. N for nest and N for nose. Then it is O. O sound O. O. O sound O. O sound O. O for orange and O for owl. Then our next phonic letter is that P. P says pa. Pa. P says pa. As in P for papaya and P for parrot. Then it is Q. Q says qua. Qua. Q sound qua. What is the sound of Q? Q sound qua. And Q for queen and Q for quail. Okay. And R. 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 R as in R for rat and R for rabbit. Then S. S sound S. S sound S. As in S for sun and S for sunflower. T sound ta. 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 T sound ta. T for toy and T for tortoise. Then it is U. U sound as in U for umbrella. V sound wa. Wa. V sound wa. Wa. V as in V for van and V for violin. Then our next one is that W. W says wa. Wa. W says wa as in W for watch and W for water. X is kas. 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 Adha ka and sa. It will be kas. Kas. Okay. So X sound kas. Says xylophone And if you will add X in the last of any word like B-O-X, box, box, you can see here that we are pronouncing X as in kus. Okay, so X sound, kus. Y sound, ya. Y sound, ya. And the word which will start with Y, it is yak. Y says yak. And Y says yellow. Y says yellow. Okay, then our last letter of alphabet is that Z. And Z sound Z. Z. Z sound Z. And the words which will start with Z are Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. So you can see how can you pronounce all the letters with their phonic sounds. So we'll revise all the sounds here. So let's start from starting. A sound ah. A sound ah. B sound ba. Ba. C sound ka. Ka. D sound da. Da. E sound I. I. F sound fa. F sound fa. G sound go. G sound go. Then it is H. Ha. 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 Then it is I. I sound E. I sound E. Then it is J. J sound ja. 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 K sound ka. K sound ka. Ka. Then L. L sound la. 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 Not la. It is la. La. Then M sound ma. 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 N sound no. 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 Okay. Then O sound o. P says pa. Pa. Then it is Q. Qua. Q sound qua. Then R. 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 R sound R. Then S. S sound S. S. Then it is T. T says ta. T sound ta. Then it is U. U says ah. Ah. Then V. V says wa. Wa. Then it is W. W says wa. Wa. Okay. Finish that X. X says kus. Kus. Then Y. Y says ya. Ya. Then it is Z. Z says za. Za. Z says ja. So these all are the phonic sound of all the alphabet letter. You have to watch this video many times, then you can get all the sound of letters. So thank you so much for joining me today. See you next class. Bye bye.